Hello friends, how are you all? I hope everyone is well. I am also pretty good. Friends, welcome you my YouTube channel. Welcome the best platform YouTube on estimate. Friends, you know I am MD Aminul Islam from Tangail district of Bangladesh. Friends, today I will tell you how green nature helps us. Let's talk friends. Friends, green nature is very important our lives. Let's know friends how green nature helps us. Friends, in my opinion, green nature always entertains us. Green nature freshness our hearts. In green nature, we can live well with breath. Green nature creates healthy oxygen for us. Green nature air is extremely healthy for our body. These plants of green nature are made of life-saving drugs which we eat for disease free. Friends, I always save the green nature. I always clean the green nature. So friends, let's us give importance to this green nature and protect the green nature from pollution, and we build a beautiful world. Thank you so much friend. Have a good day. See you again.